Hi everyone, in this video we'll do class 8 rational numbers exercise 1.2 question number 7 and 8. First we'll see question number 7. Find a plus b divided by a minus b if a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 2 by 3. What is it? You are given the value of a and the value of b. We have to find a plus b. That means we have to add 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Then second expression is a minus b. Subtract 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So first you add both, then you subtract both, and those two answers we have to divide. Okay, we'll start the sum now. First is a is 1 by 2, b is 2 by 3. We have to find a plus b first. So what is a plus b? Right, a plus b is equal to a is 1 by 2 plus b is 2 by 3. And what operation is this? Addition of two rational numbers. For addition, we need to find LCM. The denominators must be same. Are they same here? They are different. So how to make them same? By finding LCM. So LCM for the denominators. Which are the denominators? 2 and 3. 2, it is not 23. It is 2, 3. So we have to divide 2 and 3 by a common factor. Do they have a common factor? They don't have a common factor. That means both 2 and 3, they don't come in the same table. So how to find LCM? Just multiply them. 2 3s are 6. So your LCM, what is LCM? Least common multiple is 6. What's the next step? This 2 and 3, we are going to change into 6. So when you make some change in the denominators, we have to change the numerators also. And how did we change now? 2 into what is 6? 2 3s are 6. So denominator is multiplied by 3. Multiply numerator also by 3. 3 1s are 3 plus 3 into what is 6? 3 2s are 6. Denominator is multiplied by 2. Multiply numerator also by the same 2. It is 4. Now add them. 3 plus 4 is 7 by 6. This is only a plus b we got now. So what we have finished, a plus b we have finished. Now we have to find a minus b. So how to find a minus b? We'll take a minus b is, what is a? A is 1 by 2 minus b is 2 by 3. Okay. Now again, for subtraction of integers also, rational numbers, we need LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? The denominator same here also, just like addition, 2 and 3. So LCM will be the same 6. 2 and 3 we find the LCM, it is same 6. So write 6 and 2 into what is 6? 2 3s are 6. Multiply numerator also by 3. 3 1s are 3 minus change 3 as 6. So 3 into 2 and therefore numerator also into 2. 2 2s are 4. And what is 3 minus 4? Signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. 3 minus 4 is from the greater number, you subtract smaller number. 1, sign of the greater number is minus, so it is minus 1 by 6. So we have found a minus b. We got a plus b, we got a minus b. Now what we have to do? We have to divide those both answers. Which are the numbers? A plus b is 7 by 6. A minus b is minus 1 by 6. These two numbers we have to divide. So we have to find a plus b divided by a minus b. So we'll do that now. What is a plus b? A plus b is 7 by 6 divided by a minus b is minus 1 by 6. Don't forget the sign. It is minus 1 by 6. Now let us follow the rule of division. What is it? Write the first rational number as it is. Change division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number. When you are writing the reciprocal, will the sign change? No change in the sign. Minus sign as it is in the numerator only. 1 by 6 becomes 6 by 1. The reciprocal is changing the numerator and denominator. 1 by 6 is 6 by 1. What's the next step? Cancelling by this common factor. So 7 and 6, there is no common factor. 6 and 1, it is dividing by 1 only. You get the same number. So check cross 6 and 6. Both are divisible by 6 tables. 6 1s are 6, 6 ones are 6. That's all. Cancelling is over. Now what is the final step? Multiply both the numerators and multiply both the denominators. Before you multiply the numbers, multiply the signs. Plus into minus, minus. 7 ones are 7, by 1 ones are 1. So what is 7 divided by 1? When you multiply a number by 1, we get the same, when you divide a number by 1, we get the same number. So it is minus 7 is a plus b divided by a minus b is minus 7. Now second one in question number 7, a is minus 3 by 5, b is 2 by 15. Okay, now first we'll find a plus b. What is a plus b? Write a is minus 3 by 5 plus b is 2 by 15. Now it is addition. What is the condition? The denominators must be same. Are they same? They are different. So what to do? We have to find LCM for 5 and 15. Okay, by what table can I divide 5 and 15? If the number ends with 5 and 0, they are divisible by 5. So both the numbers ending with 5, we can cancel by 5. Divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. That's all. 1 and 3, there is no other common factor. Stop the division, multiply them to find LCM. When you multiply by 1, we get the same number. So we can leave out the 1, multiply other two numbers. 5 threes are 15. So least common multiple is 15. Now what do we do? For both 5 and 15, we write 15. 5 into what gives 15? 5 threes are. So denominator is multiplied by 3 and we have written here. Multiply numerator also by the same 3. Minus into this minus sign as it is. 3 threes are 9. And what is the next sign? We have plus. 15 into what is 15? 15 is 1. When you to get the same number, multiply by 1. So multiply numerator also by 1. 2 ones are 2. And what is it? Signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Same addition of integers. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Sign of the greater number is minus 7 by 15. And this 7 and 15, they don't have a common factor. They cannot be cancelled further. Now we'll find a minus b. Same way we have to find a minus b. What is a? A is minus 3 by 5 minus b is 2 by 15. We have to subtract them. A minus 3 by 5 minus b is 2 by 15. So again, for subtraction, we need LCM. LCM is the same denominators 5 and 15. LCM is 15. So we can write LCM is 15. Next step, write the common denominator 15 and 5 into what gives 15? 5 threes are 15. Multiply numerator also by 3. It is minus 9. What is the next sign? Minus 15 ones are 15. So multiply numerator also by 1. 2 ones are 2. And what is it here? Signs are same. So what is the rule? Add and put the common sign. Minus 9 plus 2 is 11 by 15. 11 and 15, they don't have a common factor. They cannot be cancelled. So we got a plus b is minus 7 by 15. A minus b is minus 11 by 15. Now what we have to find? We have to find a plus b divided by a minus b. What is a plus b? Is minus 7 by 15 divided by a minus b is minus 11 by 15. Okay, so what happens here? It is division. Write the first rational number as it is. What is the rule of division? Write the first rational number as it is. Change division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number. Will the minus sign change? So no change in the sign while writing the reciprocal. Minus as it is. 11 by 15 becomes 15 by 11. Next step, if it's possible, you have to cancel. 15 and 15, two same numbers can be cancelled by the number itself. So 15 ones are 15, 15 ones are 15. Then 7 and 11, they are prime numbers. They don't have a common factor. So cancelling is over. What is the next step? Multiply both the numerators. Multiply both the denominators. Before you multiply the numbers, multiply the signs. Minus into minus. When you multiply two same signs, it is plus. 7 ones are 7. 11 ones are 11. So a plus b divided by a minus b is 7 by 11. Now question number 8, which is simplify 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 10 into 3. and show that it is a rational number between 11 and 12. That is why we will simplify and find the answer. Then we'll check between which two numbers that given answer lies. Okay, first let us not worry about this part of the question now. First we'll simplify this and find the answer. Then we'll come to it later. Okay, so here what all operations we have? Addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. We have all the four operations in the same sum. And there is a bracket. So we are following what rule? BIDMAS rule. BIDMAS. We have to follow BIDMAS rule, in which what has to be done first? B for brackets. We have to do brackets first. Whatever operation you have inside the bracket. What operation you have inside the bracket? It is subtraction. We should do subtraction first. Remove the bracket and then division, multiplication and addition it comes. So we'll see how to do the sum. This is the question given, and what is the rule we are following? BIDMAS, because we have all the four operations when you have more than one operation. So far we have been doing only addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we have all the four operations in the same sum. So which has to be, whether we have to add first or divide first or multiply or subtract. For that only we have a rule called BIDMAS. B for bracket. We have to do within the brackets first. After that, I for indices. That means powers that we will be learning later. In 8th standard itself, we will be learning in the upcoming chapters. We'll leave it for time being. Next, after brackets, then we should do division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the order we have to follow the operations. So first within the brackets, rest of the numbers we'll write as it is down. 1/2 as it is, plus as it is, and we have to do this bracket only first. What is the operation? Subtraction. For subtraction, we need LCM. The denominators must be same. Are they same? They are different. So we have to find LCM for 2 and 5. Do they have a common factor? No, so multiply them. 2 5s are 10 is the LCM. So open bracket, your common denominator is 10. Should be very, very careful in this sum while doing step by step you have to follow. So 2 into what is 10? 2 5s are 10. So multiply numerator also by 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 5 into what is 10? 5 into 2. So multiply numerator also by 2. 2 2s are 4. Still we have not come to one single number, so we don't remove the brackets. And outside the bracket, as it is, don't change division sign and all now. In one step, only one operation. So in first step, only we are finding LCM, nothing else. Write all the other numbers and operations as it is. Your next step, 1/2 as it is, plus as it is. Now what is 15 minus 4? It is 11, 11 by 10. Now 15 minus 4 we have simplified. So it has become just one single rational number. So the bracket can be removed. 15 minus 4 is 11 by 10 divided by 3 by 10 into 3 as it is. So we have finished with one operation. This bracket, the subtraction is over. Okay, so we have removed the bracket. Now we have addition, division, multiplication. Which will you do first? Addition, division, multiplication. Which has to be done first? Division should be done first according to the order of the rule. We should do BIDMAS, division first. So where do we have division? Here is division. Between which two numbers? 11 by 10 and 3 by 10. Only that has to be divided first. So what to do? Write rest of the numbers as it is, 1/2 as it is. And how to divide? What is the rule of division? We have seen in the previous sums. Write the first fraction rational number as it is. Change division into multiplication. Write the reciprocal of the second number. 3 by 10 becomes 10 by 3 into 3. Now, these three numbers have become multiplication. Now, we have multiplication and addition. Which one will you do first? Multiplication first. According to the rule, multiplication and then only addition. So, here we finished with division. See, first we finished subtraction. That is over. Now, we have finished division. Division change into, we have done only one step in division. Change division into multiplication, write the reciprocal. Now 1/2 as it is, plus as it is. These three numbers we should do multiplication. How to multiply? If it is possible, we have to cancel. So what can we cancel? 10. And here it is an integer. How to make it as a rational number? By 1. Now cancel. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. That's all. Anything else can be cancelled? Nothing. So multiply all the numerators. 11 into 1 into 1. When you multiply by 1, we get the same 11. Then next is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only. Now see, 4 operations we had: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. One by one we finish subtraction, then we finish division, then we finish multiplication, and finally we have addition. Just it is addition of two numbers. So how to do? The denominators must be same. Are they same? It is 2 and 1. So find LCM for 2 and 1. Always so, which is not divisible by any other numbers. 2 ones are 2. Always the LCM of 1 and any number is the number itself. Suppose you are finding LCM of 1 and 4 is 4 only. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. LCM of any number with 1 is the number itself. So 1 and 2 is LCM is 2 itself. So how to do? 2 into 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 into what gives 2? 1 into 2, so 11 into 2. 11 2s are 22. 1 into 2 gives 2, multiply numerator also by 2. So 22, now add them. 22 plus 1 is 23 by 2. And we have to convert this into what number? Because we have to check whether it lies between 11 and 12. We have to check it. So it is an improper fraction. When you convert into mixed, it becomes 23 divided by 2. You divide, 2 ones are 2, 0, bring down the next number. Again 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. So what it becomes? This quotient is the whole number and the remainder on the numerator by same denominator. 11 1 by 2. It lies between 11. The whole number is 11 and the next number is 12. So it lies in the number line. If it is 0, 11 and 12. So 11 and a half will definitely lie between 11 and 12. So our question is, we have to check whether it lies between 11 and 12. 11, 1 by 2 comes between 11 and 12. Therefore, you can say, yes, the number 11, 1, this is a simplification. The answer of this expression is 11, 1 by 2 and it lies between 11 and 12. Okay, so we'll stop this video with this. Rest of the sum we'll see in the next. Thank you for watching. Thank you.